Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bula Vinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. I'm delighted to be here to hand over the assistance under the Youth Farm Initiative. At the outset, I wish to thank the village elders for a welcome ceremony and would like to say Vinaka Vakalebu. Ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon I'm here to urge our youths to learn new skills and also to play greater role in the nation building. We also want to see all of you to take charge of your life. And at this juncture, I would also like to acknowledge the contribution by the landowners. You play a very vital role in providing the consent to the youth clubs to utilize the unutilized land for farming. And I want to thank you all for this opportunity. The materials and the seedlings that I will hand over today will assist these youths who are involved in farming for the family food security, improve livelihood in the community, create employment opportunities, and improve the youth and community bonding. My ministry is happy to be part of your community development, and I want to encourage all young Fijians to take proactive approach in dealing with any of your current circumstances, especially during this pandemic. We are here today because we have faith in you. And we are very confident that you will deliver and ready to take the responsibility. Since the Ministry of Youth and Sports had launched this Youth Farm Initiative, I can tell you we have been going around throughout the country. There has been huge success. When we were going through COVID-19 pandemic, we also took out time to visit the settlements, villages, and we were in contact with our youth officers who are located in different locations. And we have been asking them, what are the immediate needs for our youths? And we were told if we can look into the farm initiative. And we have launched that 3 months ago, as I mentioned earlier on. And now we are engaging the youths in this program. This is just a start. The youth officers will visit you again, and they will see the progress. And on the need base, the ministry will come again and assist you. But you must be ready and take this responsibility. Ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to extend my appreciation and acknowledge the other stakeholders. Our other stakeholders are Ministry for Agriculture. They also provide us technical assistance in terms of this program. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, before I conclude at this juncture, I would like to inform you all that in the month of December, we are going to put up an ad in the newspaper, and our youth officers will also come to you for the youth clubs to apply for the potential capital projects. These will be income generating projects, and we would like you, for your youth clubs, to identify a project, do a project proposal and hand it over to the youth officers. I would urge that you think about a project that will generate revenue for you, that will be a startup for your youth club, and from that revenue you expand your business, that will assist your youth club, that will assist your community, that will assist your family. This is an opportunity, make use of it. So once again, thank you so much for being here. And with these words, once again, I would like to thank the village elders for their presence here, and I want to wish you all the very best in the future. Naka, and thank you.
Salama kaya kami budi ni katanan lo sa sini. Sa libero ni masuk, es kami masuk.